What happens when you eat barley every day? The popularity of whole grains such as oats, wheat, and rye has grown due to their numerous health benefits. However, another nutritious grain that deserves more attention is barley. Originating in Ethiopia and Southeast Asia, barley is an ancient grain that has been cultivated for over 10,000 years. Its satisfyingly chewy texture and subtle nutty flavor make it an excellent addition to meals, allowing you to add volume without sacrificing taste. Barley is commonly used in a variety of dishes ranging from bread, beer, soups, and porridge to healthy options like muffins, granola, and pancakes. This super grain is packed with an abundance of nutrients that offer a wide range of health advantages. In today's video, we will explore these benefits, including its ability to lower blood sugar levels, reduce the risk of cancer, boost immunity, lower cholesterol, prevent gallstones, and more. Helps you lose weight. Barley aids in weight reduction, primarily due to the presence of essential amino acids and its fiber content. It plays a role in regulating blood sugar levels, preventing the typical fluctuations that contribute to fat storage. In comparison to other grains, barley is relatively low in calories while still providing a satisfying meal that keeps you feeling full for a longer duration, reducing the need for frequent eating. Great for breakfast. Barley is abundant in nutrients and contains a wealth of fiber and essential minerals such as selenium, copper, tryptophan, and manganese. Consuming barley provides you with energy and helps maintain a feeling of satisfaction throughout a significant portion of the day. The presence of manganese in barley contributes to feelings of happiness and vitality while also promoting a calm nervous system. In a long-term study, researchers examined the effects of regularly consuming a grain-based breakfast. The findings, spanning a period of 19 years, revealed that men who incorporated a daily bowl of whole grain cereal into their morning routine had a 29% reduced risk of heart failure. Reduces your risk of developing cancer. The presence of antioxidants in barley plays a crucial role in the prevention of certain cancers. A study has indicated that these antioxidants can inhibit the replication of colon cancer cells. Additionally, research has shown that consuming an ample amount of fiber, such as the fiber found in unstrained barley water, is associated with a reduced risk of specific types of colon cancer. However, barley offers even more benefits. It contains ferulic acid, which has the potential to prevent tumor formation. Rich in vitamins and minerals. Barley contains a rich assortment of nutrients that contribute to the optimal functioning of your body. It is notably abundant in niacin, a B vitamin that aids in converting food into energy and plays a vital role in supporting the nervous system, digestive system, and skin health. Furthermore, barley serves as a valuable source of vitamin B6, which promotes the well-being of both our brains and immune systems. In addition to these benefits, barley provides significant amounts of essential minerals such as manganese, selenium, phosphorus, and iron. Manganese is crucial for the overall maintenance of bodily functions, selenium supports a healthy thyroid, phosphorus contributes to the strength of bones and teeth, and barley offers a respectable quantity of iron. Lowers cholesterol levels. Multiple studies have provided evidence suggesting that the consumption of barley can have positive impacts on cholesterol levels. A diet rich in soluble fiber, which is present in barley, has been shown to decrease both total cholesterol and LDL cholesterol, often referred to as bad cholesterol, by approximately 5 to 10%. Furthermore, a specific study observed individuals with high cholesterol who incorporated barley into their diet, accounting for 20% of their calorie intake. The results demonstrated a significant reduction in total cholesterol by 20%, a decrease in LDL cholesterol by 24%, and an increase in HDL cholesterol, known as good cholesterol, by 18%. Loaded with fiber. Incorporating barley into your diet is not only a delightful option but also an effective means to increase your fiber intake. Fiber offers a multitude of health benefits, including promoting healthy digestion, aiding in weight loss, and supporting better glycemic control. Barley stands out among whole grains as an excellent source of particularly beneficial fiber. A single cup of pearled barley contains 6 grams of fiber, accompanied by a modest calorie count of only 193. Furthermore, it provides 3.5 grams of protein, although not comparable to the protein content found in other whole grains like quinoa, it still contributes to your overall protein intake. Helps balance gut bacteria. Maintaining a healthy balance of natural gut bacteria is crucial for overall well-being. Research indicates that the consumption of foods containing barley contributes to a decrease in the presence of a specific gut bacteria known as bacteroids. Although bacteroids typically do not pose a significant risk, they are commonly observed in cases of injury or trauma. Infections involving these bacteria can impact various parts of the body, including the abdomen, genitals, heart, bones, joints, and the central nervous system. Prevents osteoporosis. Barley contains phosphorus and copper, both of which contribute to the overall health and strength of bones. Phosphorus plays a significant role in effectively addressing and treating bone and tooth issues, leading to increased strength. For individuals with osteoporosis, barley is often considered a natural remedy. Barley grass juice, in particular, contains calcium levels that are 11 times higher than that of milk. As we are aware, calcium is essential for preserving bone health. Additionally, the presence of manganese in barley, combined with B-complex vitamins, actively supports the maintenance of optimal bone health. Controls blood sugar. Consuming barley can potentially contribute to the reduction of blood sugar and insulin levels, thereby decreasing the risk of developing diabetes. This can be attributed to its rich content of beta-glucan, a soluble fiber that aids in slowing down the absorption of sugar in the body. Notably, in a study, barley was found to be significantly more effective than oats in lowering sugar levels, demonstrating a reduction of 59 to 65% compared to 29 to 36% with oats. Furthermore, incorporating barley into the evening meal resulted in a 30% improvement in insulin sensitivity the following morning during breakfast, in contrast to individuals who consumed refined wheat bread. Moreover, a comprehensive analysis of 232 scientific studies revealed a consistent association between the consumption of whole-grain breakfast cereals, including those containing barley, and a reduced risk of diabetes. An added advantage of barley is its low glycemic index, indicating how quickly a food raises blood sugar levels. With a glycemic index score of 28, barley boasts the lowest value among all grains. Boosts immunity. With its high nutritional content, barley plays a significant role in fortifying the body's immune system and reducing the likelihood of catching colds and flu. Additionally, barley contains iron, which enhances blood volume and helps prevent anemia and fatigue. Furthermore, barley supports proper kidney function and contributes to the development of cells. Prevents gallstones. Barley has been shown to be highly effective in preventing the formation of gallstones in women. Its fiber-rich composition reduces the secretion of bile acids, leading to improved insulin sensitivity and lowered triglyceride levels in the body. Research has found that women who consume a diet abundant in fiber have a lower risk of developing gallstones compared to those with a low fiber intake. Additionally, barley is recognized for its ability to prevent kidney stones and promote kidney health by facilitating cleansing and detoxification processes. Barley is available in various forms, offering versatile options for incorporation into one's diet. Types of barley. Hulled barley. This refers to whole grain barley, which has undergone the removal of only the inedible outer hull. As a result, it possesses a chewier texture and requires a longer cooking time when compared to other varieties. Pearl barley. Pearl barley, unlike hulled barley, has undergone a partial steaming process that involves the removal of its hull and bran. As a result, it cooks faster than whole barley but possesses lower nutrient content. Barley flakes. Barley flakes undergo a process where they are flattened and sliced, similar to rolled oats. This preparation allows them to cook rapidly, but it should be noted that they have a lower nutrient content compared to whole barley. Barley grits. Barley grits are produced by toasting and cracking barley grains. The nutrient content of barley grits can vary depending on whether they are made from hulled or pearled barley. So how can you add barley to your diet? Hulled barley can serve as a suitable substitute for various whole grains such as rice, quinoa, oats, or buckwheat. To cook hulled barley, start by rinsing the grains under cold running water to remove any hulls. Then, use a 1:3 ratio of barley to water. For example, if you have 0.5 cups of barley, use 1.5 cups of water. Pearled barley typically cooks in about an hour, while hulled barley takes approximately 1.5 hours to reach a tender consistency. Barley flakes can be enjoyed as a breakfast porridge alternative to oats and can also be incorporated into soups, stews, or baking by combining barley flour with wheat flour. You can create a flavorful grain salad by mixing cooked barley with vegetables and dressing, or simply use it as a side dish instead of rice or quinoa. One excellent way to incorporate barley into your routine is by making barley water. It's important to use hulled or pearl barley for this purpose. Start by heating 4 cups of water and a 1/4 cup of pearl barley in a saucepan until it boils. Add a pinch of salt and let it simmer on low heat for about 30 minutes. You can lightly crush the grains using a spoon. Strain the mixture into a glass, add a lemon rind, and drizzle it with honey. Allow it to cool completely and then refrigerate for 30 minutes before drinking. You can enhance the taste by adding spices like ginger, cinnamon, cumin seeds, or even orange juice. The leftover cooked grains can be utilized in cereals, salads, or as a thickening agent for curries and smoothies. Avoid wasting it. While barley is a nutritious whole grain that can be consumed regularly, it's also beneficial to incorporate other whole grains into your regular diet for a well-rounded nutritional intake. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new videos. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comments section down below and feel free to stay safe and enjoy. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.